in case anything happens to the president, happens to the wife of the president, happens to any government official, we will know these people, their families. We will put their pictures up. And it's a job we are doing now. We will make sure we will expose them. We will reveal their identity. At least we will know, say, movement, this is what they want to do. Now, police report, this is what the police told us. Let me read the police report. Okay? And this is the reason why I make us say, hardened criminals. They are dangerous people. Police want to say, police statement on the arrest of Daniel Adumaku. Boy na nenim sampri say tete Johnny Bravo cartoon no. Pokuase and Fante the and Prince Ofori and 2 others. Now, I say the Ghana Police Service, in collaboration with other security agencies, has arrested Mr. Daniel Adumaku, known as social media as Sir Obama Pokuase, MPP by 8 years. Kwasia we yanto draws Obama no. And so now, earlier today, his arrest is part of ongoing intelligence-led operations by the police and other security agencies aimed at dismantling networks involved in the illegal possessions and display of sophisticated weapons. He is assisting investigations into some images and videos he circulated on social media depicting individuals openly brandishing these illegally acquired sophisticated weapons. Police force say adikudia jom kochi say Obama. And then they say oni akronfo tetwa amoaboaten awufuo bi akosesa intuo akogu baby na sebio omo akotwa ho videos ene ho pictures ene ono say Obama no ede abegu TV so say sa intuo ene akonde we na sebio yedi bedi dwum abeku president ene ne yire ene aban mu mpenifo say Obama no ene me picture kirem no ono ne akokọ red no. Okay, letter na police for the buy na enie. These operations, which have been ongoing for several weeks, have led to the significant retrieval of a substantial number of illegal arms and ammunition. Into Sir Obama Pokuase no. I'm find a picture to us and be emfa with so. Kwasiafo monkey the work baboon the chop emwamba onye. Anomana o share red no one your friend Sir Obama Pokuase no. On a police for or the weapons. He's somebody who is hiding illegal weapons. A tool as sebio emra eman hokwan and omude kogu dan bi mu. Well, MPP for they are criminals. And omude kogu dan a tool bullet bomb. Pia just a nyoma ye di ewu. Akondi ewu die. And almost sakogu them, and the police is only na watch me and sa a diomon tentenwa. Inti a tuona sebio a ya crony tuo, ya di body pacuno, a ya dian, a ya grenade, but the bomb. Sign your manana, sebio omodia kogu baby. Inti police for ya and shishemu a diomo tentenwano, and omokochi say Obama where or ya MPP ni, or ya MPP communicator, or ya Jumama MPP. Akosha menu and a sponsor no. A money sika, a man tossa nyoma no. Sa say Obama way, police for the 10-10 now watch me and sa. And omo den omoko so ni mu. Na o kan krata na omo sa djudwa bibim, mame djudwa mu nkire o. Akronfo ma way. Inti akokọ red no, ono de friend say Obama Pokuase no, kweku ba akwara no no. Mr. P, do you have anything for me? Bloggers go chop. In a related development, 3 other persons, Prince Ofori, Yaya Abil, and Emmanuel Kwachre, are in the custody of the police assisting ongoing investigations into cases of threats, of death, and publication of false news following the recent helicopter crash. Into almost after Sir Obama Pokuase no, and Kuko Mienu no Makano, almost so police etchi omo. Adaya, almost so eshe kukwasem, eshe ayadian, almost she kukuom, and almost social media, almost say, almost person omuku president in a yere. Boy, and who fee way, and the MPP na ya former in Jankama way. In Kwasiafo, almost twin top, key sopingare, where who fee way. the omu be di kra ye omu den. Me the omu maame nom, omu papa nom, omu nuanom nyina pictures ba be kyerɛ mo. You will see something. Now, the police service reiterates its unwavering commitment to ensuring the safety and security of all citizens by rooting out criminal elements. So, Sankofowi, police in so only a criminal element. So, police because we a criminal element. We are there, we are Owudini, we are Omambofo, we are Obia, Sebio, ye Jawa, Utumi Kunipa. You have criminal elements. Our system nim. Like I said, we have criminal elements. You were a wood dear who I can't dear nipabi or my nim. Sana police who sanko we. Or say, bro, say rooted out criminal elements and preventing the proliferation of illegal arms. Inti sa kronfo we near would differ we are MPP for mano. Police say omu two or ma safe or my nim. Send your beya menewo. Sebio Ghana betuma ye de. The law is the law. Intimino ka say, and Ghana brand kyerɛ sɛ kromfo kra wo kyena ɔho kwan sɛ ɔno so bebusa bail. Intende Ghana Police Service for edi mra no so edi bail ama san confirm miensa we. Ɛno nkyerɛ sɛ asɛm na so atwa. Ɛkyerɛ sɛ investigations is all going. That means say they can call them tomorrow to court. They can call them tomorrow tonight to assist them into Sankofo Obia Huntono. Today, Sankofo who President Mahama and then a year some more event to be asia. Sankofo and so we obey to me for Kutikwanso, Akofa Edian, a tuobi Akobo President Mahama. Into only a dangerous people. They are criminal elements. Into from the police report, investigation report, a say send President Mahama Ewo Krum. Na ebi okodi dwuma bi one ne yere ene ne ma ene Ghana penifo omo chichire Ghana no so omo kodi dwuma bi na saa Obama we ene boy ya denim se esie ene abayo ya denim se fork saa nkwasiafo miensa we uhu omo ho a omo ye criminal elements omo ye criminals. They use illegal weapons. They want to kill the president. So we are not supposed to allow these people. And it's say nyina ye bie ni. We are not supposed to give them too much room. Me de omo maame, omo papa, omo nuanom, omo kununum, omo mma, me de omo busuafo nyina pictures ba be good TV no so, and me wiase nyina hu the kind of people who are their relatives. Sene be ya, se bibi to aban mu nipa na ehu omo a ye be chi omo. From ende, se ye bo obi to wa aban mu, ye ku obi wa aban mu, se minister bi, MP bi, se president hu ka san kwasiafo miensa we ene omo a yehwehwe omo no omo ena sebio Ghana e wo se ye ni san omo se John Mahama ne yire omo mo retu san kwasiafo we na wo se ye ni san omo ene gina me pese me de omo busuafo nyina pictures be kire mo enti ye nya omo a ne yakobuso omo busuafo ne se na mo mana omo kan mre bi so omo beku president omo beku ne yire de na osie tuo osie bomb no omo wo he because omo busuafo ne betuma kire bebi omo wo. Until I'll come and display their family. All right, now, many more we Osha San Kwasiafo we na yase police for call mu dem. Na Osha Edaya mu dem. Ewade Ghana pa na bucket mu di dware. Oba abrochira bucket di dware mponko. Enu bi na mu di dware wo mu dem. Hwe bucket yase dien eyi bucketa ewo mu dem mu di dware hwe bucketa ewo esi dem mu di dware bucket di dware mponko abrochire ene na nkwasiafo we di dware na omo ne nam Ghana se omo ye MPP communicators omo momu se omo beku president hwe bucketa ewo mu dem mu di dware oba abrochire ye di dware mponko ye sansuo ne de detol egum di dware mponko na ase nipa we hwe bucket gugu omo dem hwe ade bi gugu omo hwe napkin bi asia de pipa bini san kwasiafo we tete Ghana and a whole political party as MPP. These are the people they are telling you say omo the party need power. Mr. P, show me them. hwe dem na kwasia we ti social media di watam me kraman wo krom ha me kraman on that ade we mu enti ade na akwa we ka asema na ya wo ya hwe dan ya dem and yet TV so yes say Obama Pokuase wafre kwasiade he ewurade nyankopon na yetumi tena Ghana ewu ha ye show saa wo TV so na ya say Kwame Sefa kan na di baby oni obi yetumi ye show na minister kasa yes o twa so yes say Obama Pokuase afre yes wa text kwasia we ponko bucket no di dware kwasia we so tinkran yes ko hwade ma meti entabuom ne ma meti ntabuom tete latest form no daso kwasia we tinkran na Kwame Sefa kan John obi kwasi ampanyi na ye discuss issue a minister to make us minister twen say Obama Pokuase a text into ye bekan ade we ponko bucket no di dware urade bucket we di dware ponko ko Minnesota na ko Kentucky baby Kentucky race no ye de ponko de ye de sansuo gu ponko ho na kwasi we say ono na Ghana we mu na MPP for said ye meti o mo family chichire man ne enfo mo mbra power na yetumi tena TV so na Kwame Sefa kan obi kwasi ampanyi no na bo say otiwa ya say oh show no sources bi a text ye say Obama Pokuase a text na ye jai show no na kwasi awei hwe no fi wei ponko bucket na sini dem inti na yetie say Obama a text MPP ba power 8 years kwasia we omuntu ma hwe ne sakraman hwe no ho 8 years ne ma metin tebuom ko bena tenkran en ponko bucket no di dware osa no de support etwa na se kwasia we sen kwasia fo ma we ehia fo ma wo ena mo use omo wo hwe mo nim omo gugu a ehia fo ma omo hu fin omo ko school papa bia omo ni any life insurance omo ni nothing asamuto na eche ejijisika e de boa no asamuto na eche ejijisika ye go fund me we mu omo chen imponche a na ni nyina ne se omo de bucket imponko bucket ni dware we omo chen imponche a omo chen se omo bucket the difference in appointed to me ko to bucket san kwasiafo ehiafo ma we adantra for ma we they have nothing to their names. And these fools will sit on social media and then they want to tell you say utie omo abra omo papa no ma mobra omo papa no ntuma ama omo bra papa we mu mesi asabuto omo nde malaria ball mu 2 days a eche ejiji sika de hwe omo yeso oba no hairdresser oba kwa hwe ne salon ho konkwesi wo nyina enkunim activator ba kuponi ho na oba kwasiaba social media MPP wabetena ho said yen social media nti na yatumi tena hwe asome ka beka se meboa hwe Paul Adomochre kwasia we otumi betena TV so yeso Paul Adomochre ye show okay now we break it osia dey say Obama Pokuase hwe
any other remark?
Say Obama Pokuase.
I know him.
He says, how about making the voting day a statutory public holiday? Wouldn't you agree that it will erase this issue of voting having to end at 3 p.m.? And lastly, for example, why have you blocked me on Facebook?
Oh, you have blocked Sir Obama Pokuase.
I don't know what he's talking about. Please, I have not.
He's called Sir Obama Pokuase.
Obama, maybe you were insulting me. But I don't think I have people who manage my account, and so sometimes they do some. Obama, maybe reach me privately. We'll sort that out, please. Okay. I think you are a nice guy. I mean, people have been hearing your.
In kwasiasem na jampo so abetina ho. Omo address Obama de say nipa. Hwe kwasiade ne tigana kronim. Say Obama Pokuase no nie. Me de ne ma ene ne yere picture ba be kire mo. Ye be expose obi a. Ye be hu be de obi a ye. Ye de cameras be di omochi. Ni amom atiase se o man na ye kekere no president hu hia ye. Yetumi tena ho ne yetie show yes say Obama Pokuase bia text obagye say akobi ote office bia sebio why employ nipa bia wabɔ bra sebio otumi tuaka In Ponko bucket in the cine dem. Nipa fiwe. In Brabia Mika say, Ekufu the certificate. Na kwekuba akona de nisa watch no. Wako frebo ewe. Kwa chocho nyomabo Facebook tia Kevin Taylor. Kwa siya wele wekuba aku yuzu no. This is what I keep talking to you guys about. Okay? Si ekasi expose obia omukase of social media. Ubenu unse utie nkofobi o social media. Yakasi ye expose obia o social media. Ye de omu nyina picture seba na ye kire omu nyina omu asia. Me say you'll be shocked. Ebaya wo ya say nipa bi wo krampa. You sit and you listen to them on social media. You'll be shocked. Inti unwo bi disa Paul Adomotri. Na wabetna TV so. Na already text message. Say oh Paul say Obama Pokuase into talk say oh Paul do nim nyansa o and say Obama we there or ye nipa bia wabo bra onim nyansa hwenkwase asem.
This to me he's writing to us from Pokuase and he says Paul Adomotri, the General Secretary of the NDC, Johnson Asidun Katia, alias General Mosquito, minutes ago on Asempa FM's flagship program, Ekusi saying, described your political analysis as one tantamount to a village lotto forecaster analysis. As an unrepentant viewer of your super classic show, Good Evening Ghana, I am deeply pained and will want you to know. Please marshal all the forces and address General Mosquito's name calling very well on tonight's show. Please, PS, he says, if you fail to do so, I will stop watching your fine political program forthwith. Don't disappoint me. Bless up. Thanks for understanding. Sincerely, Sir Obama. Obama is calling us to war. Obama, don't stop watching the program. Don't stop. Don't stop. You continue watching the program. But all we have to say about Johnson Asidun, so those of you who are hearing all this for the first time, 2 weeks ago or so, this to me, he's right.
I keep telling you, now Tifie, oh, Paul Adomotri ready akwebi yourself and say Obama Pokuase message. Onye, Ponko bucket in the cine dem. Yes, I need a high power more we who. Boom, Polish is you to war and already aquano the Ponko bucket to the message. And I want to say, where did the boomer in? On to me talk 34 bucket to what up Ponko bucket. Sandy passing. And yet to wanna yet Ghana say, where my friend T, Yakotuaba, because say Obama, Opokuase bi, Kwasiebia can't send me. On to me, Shannon. Shannon. I say, why I shannon him, Shannon. Shannon sa back on so. Kwasi paying no here, the team here. A year for my who fin, me see, me the Omama men no papa no pictures by Bechrem. Me by Bechrem, Omama men no papa no, me Bechrem pictures. A honor because here, yakase ohia buburo. E de so be akase we Jimmy. No be so akase so we Jimmy bruta. Me be kire mu ohia buburo. We mu ehia for ma. Mema omo ma menom akoma bo brim. Mema omo papa nom, omo yere nom, omo nipa ebe omo akoma bo. Mema Ghana hu omo si bi omo tie. Mema the young people in Ghana, they will understand say politics no, enya jandam na politics. Enya atro. Me di we mu be set example wo Ghana. Erade nyankopo. Yeah. Gawe yasene ma me yare serious Japan water region free. Awonani aboa. Yasene ma gawe ne ma me yare ontumi mpo hume. Ne ma me yare owu ani. Metumi imbotom sika ahwe ne ma me anante. I'm telling you, me nyankopon. But I can financially help ne mame. And so kwasi about way to social media. Ogin so bi anim. Why bem set it pano ke kan kwasi asem aden ya MPP Asante 4 party. And omoka che say did atem aden Kevin Taylor did atem. Me see di atem no ko di judge atem no hwe. The difference between me and who was scared before lawyer. Most of them mama names. Me be show ohia buburo ye wo ohia ene wo ohia buburo ye wo Jimmy ene wakase we Jimmy bruta me be kire ohia buburo we mu omo ebusuafo ye hiafo erade de omo di aba no omo nu omo ho mema omo bi omo busuafo nya heart attack ewu me say sankofo we Omo maame nom no papa nom mema ebie nya heart attack wu sibia omo mma pese nkofo papa nom wu no me de omo ensema beto social media ama wiase hu who they are me betre omo ase send be ya oti social media no so and whatever social media whatever you call it also we sie nyansa e wo so ye den we sie nyansa omo jehye din echi ehia for ma Yama 500 Ghana, 1,000 Ghana. And to me, they are using these fools. Oh, I'm on the for almost 2 weeks now. For the themselves.